Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. Thank you for joining me today. It's raining here, but it's still a good day. It's a good day. Hobbii cakes. This is the last time I'm doing the Hobbii cakes. If I don't get the cake I want, I'm just gonna buy it outright when it's on sale. So I've been buying these. If you should watch my other videos. If this is your first time watching it, if not, you probably already know. Hobbii has these. Hobbii is a company. It's a nice company. They have these what's called lucky bags. Now they have them in wool, they have them in cotton, but they also have them at lucky bag cakes, and it comes with 4 cakes of yarn. Which generally the cakes run anywhere from $20 to $35 a piece, but the bag is $40 for 4 cakes, so you get them for like $10 a piece, which is an exceptional deal. I've been trying to get another one of these purple ones forever. This is the last try. After that, I'm just going to buy it outright. Well, it's like $33 for one of these. I'll wait till it's on sale, and then I'll buy it outright, because I have something I want to make with, but I need 2 of these. So let's see what they have for me today. This is it. If I don't get it, I'm not doing it anymore. I can't do it anymore. I can't. I can't do it anymore. Okay. Oh man, these all feel like, I don't know. I feel like they're not giving away them cotton cakes anymore. Alright, I can tell that these are not the ones I'm looking for, but that's okay. These are still pretty. Okay, these ones and these ones, these are all Cotton Kings, okay, from Hobbii. This is a Cotton King Sultan Deluxe. It's like the king of all Cotton Kings. Now these are the Cotton King Sultan Shadows, because they have that black around them, and they're very beautiful cakes. I actually do not think I have this blue, so this would be a new color for me. It's very pretty. It's made up of 4 strands of yarn, but it's not hard to crochet with these little strands like this. I have a couple shells tutorials using yarns like this that equal about a 2/8, and a very beautiful gradient effect it'll have. So in this pack that I paid $40 for, these are originally, I think, $20, maybe $22 a piece. I got 4 of them, so that would have made them $10 a piece. You know, half price. Can't beat that. So I got this blue one, which I said I've never had that color before. Oh, I got 3 colors in this one I never had. I've never had this gray one. That's new. It doesn't mean I won't get them in again. And these bags right here, sometimes they're the same. This one's beautiful. Look at this. I've never had this color. Oh, I like that one. And then I got the one called the Freddie cake. It reminds me of Freddie Mercury and his yellow jacket. I am going to, someone had a great idea. I'm going to put 4 of these cakes together to make, these are a 2/8. If I put 4 of them together, I should have about a thicker 4/8, and then I'm going to make something out of, because I have quite a few of the yellow ones that I've gotten from other ones. So that's nice. I like that bag. That's a nice bag. So, you know, those run about, like I said, $20 a piece or so, and I got them for 40. All right, here goes these. Oh no! Well, it's not the same bag, but it's close. So it's the Black Sultan Shadows again. So I got this blue one, so that's nice. It's a pretty blue that I don't have. And I got the gray one again, which is a gray that I don't have. And there's nothing wrong with these cakes except that they don't have a label, and you can go right to their site and see the names of them. And then I got another one of these beautiful greens. I really like this green. It's a very, very beautiful green. It's kind of my color. It's color green I like there, right there in the middle. And then I got this one, which I love. You know what? I don't have this one. I have one similar called Curry, but I don't have this one. I'm going to look up the name real quick. This one is called Black and Amber. That is very, very pretty. And to my knowledge, I don't think that I have this one. But I did buy a lot of these bags. I have a lot of them that I want to give away. In fact, what's today? Today, at the making of the video, was 5/6/2022. Okay, you look out for a giveaway soon, okay? But this is very beautiful because I do love brown. You know, that one I will probably keep. Okay, let's go to the next. can tell by feeling if it's these or not. I just don't know if they're giving those away anymore in their bags, but let's check and see. Oh, I got more of the same. Well, I got another one of these browns, the amber color. That is so pretty. I love that one. And then another green, like it. Another gray, and another blue. My last one, they had, they were pretty much all the same. But the ones before that, they were pretty, a lot of them were different. So I don't know what's going on. But maybe they're just running out of cake bags. Or, like I said, they're sick of me ordering them. This is the last time, though, I'm going to order these bags. Although it has been very fun, a lot of fun opening them. Okay, another green. Yeah, I think they're all going to be the same. 4 of the greens. This one is so pretty. 3 of the ambers, 4 of the grays, and 4 of all these blues. I have one more to open. And it is probably the same. I didn't get my rainbow. That's okay. That's okay. So I got another green. So I got a total of 5 of these green ones. So I do like the green, but I wouldn't need more than a couple. And I got 4 of the ambers, which are very, very pretty. I got 5 of the grays. And 5 of the blues. And then 1 of the yellow Freddy cake. So that was my haul. Am I disappointed? Not at all. I think they're all very pretty. I don't care if they're all the same. It's the mystery factor to me. I love mystery bags so much. But that's it for me on the Hobbii mystery bags. Anyways, for a few months, I'll wait until they get rid of the ones that they have. And then I'll try again. I will just buy this rainbow one that I want outright when it goes on sale. I can't pay $33 or $34 for it. I won't pay that. But when it goes on sale, I'll buy it then. And then I'll make what I want to make. So, I got plenty of time to do that. But it sure was fun while it lasted. I do want to note, though, today is 5/6/2022. And they have some of their cakes on sale now. Some of their Cotton Kings. So, it would be cheaper to buy them, and you could choose your color, than it would be for them in a bag. It's not these Sultan cakes like this, but it's similar. It's their Cotton King cakes, Sultan cakes. Well, if I can open it and show you, it's cakes like these. So they're the same as these, except for not all of them have the black around them, but they have them on sale, I think, for like $8. And that's a good deal. Because you could get these in your mystery bag too. You could end up getting 4 of these and paying $40 for them. But right now they have them for $8 a piece. So if you guys have been wanting any, these, this would be a good time to get it. I do want to ask you guys a question though. Have any of you guys recently that's been purchasing these bags, have any of you, like within the last week, got any of these Cotton King Deluxes? You think, I just want to know if they're still putting them in mystery bags, or if they're just done with those Deluxes and they're moving on to something else. But yeah, these are normally, right now on their site, normally they're $21.40. Right now on their site, they're $8.10. That's such a good deal. And you could pick your color. Like, unlike the mystery bags, you just get what they give you. But these are still $20 on their site. So it was a very good deal for me. I got all these cakes here half price. It was a very good deal for me on that. Yeah, and they have another one. Oh my gosh, their Cotton Kings are... I'm just looking for a minute. They have another Sultan Cotton King, another one kind of like this. They're just different colors that are $11. Yeah, that's a good deal there. That would be just like buying, you could get 4 of those for the same price of a mystery bag. Yeah, these are $33.60 a piece, and they're not these. These, and they are not on sale right now. So I will wait till it goes on sale, and then I'll buy one, and then I'll finish my project. But I hope you guys had a good time. So what am I going to do with all this? Like I said, look for giveaway, because I cannot keep all these cakes. I'm not going to buy any more mystery bag cakes. I'm done with that. And at least for a few months anyways, until they redo their stock and start doing it over again. I do have plans of putting 4 strands of this together. 4 cakes together. So it might take me 8 cakes maybe to do what I want to do of the Freddie Mercury. I call this the Freddie cake. And the rest I have to put in a giveaway, so you'll be looking for that soon. So yeah, and hit up Hobbii for these $8 cakes. It's a good deal for those. Or you can go and test your luck on the mystery bags. That, you know, they're fun. These could be in the mystery bags too, so you never know what you're gonna get, but it's always fun with a good mystery. I had a good time opening all these Hobbii cakes with you. But like I said, this is the end for me for now. I'll be back to Hobbii cakes eventually. A few months from now. But I'm going to give it a rest for now and let them cycle through their cakes that they got going on, and then I'll hit them back up. But it's been a lot of fun. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye guys.